So, things are going to be a little crazy in the shop for a little while. Our great guitar build-off build, the neck is pretty much done. There's virtually nothing left for me to do. Now the frets are in, leveled crown, polished, whole thing. She's ready to go. I can't really mount it to the body until we have the bridge. Can't really do much of anything until we have the bridge. So I could route the neck pup, but it's not a whole lot of point. I can't do the bridge one until I know exactly where the bridge is going to be. And I don't know when Hip Shot's going to get my damn bridge here. It would have been faster to get Chinese trash, I think. So anyway, this one's going to be sitting there for a little while. We got Eric's build going on that I'll be helping him with. I can always work on the short scale bass that we had started right before this came up. I haven't been excited about doing it yet. However, recently discovered the Thomann DIY Kit challenge. So I've ordered a Strat kit, so we're going to have to do that just for the fun of it. As long as we're doing that, I might as well enter it in Great Guitar Build-Off's kit too. But before that came up, I had already decided I want to try to build a Japanese shamisen, which I thought I might have to enter into the Great Guitar Build-Off's freestyle category. So despite my best efforts and plans to only have one entry this time, I might wind up having 3. Yeah, well, it'll be fun, and you know, some added support for Great Guitar Build-Off, I suppose. However, okay, the problem with the shamisen, there are a few problems. Namely, I'll be damned if I can find any real information on anything. Dimensions, anything. I see a lot of talk about it. Traditionally, it was covered with like goat skin. I think you can still get the skins. I would rather not have to deal with that. There's talk about some synthetic materials that people have started using, but I'll be damned if I can find out what they are or where to get them. So that's a giant question mark, but the woodwork looks really interesting and fun, so I thought it would be fun to try to build one of these and see how that goes. So it's an experiment for damn sure, but I think it'll be fun. So we're going to try to do that. I'm going to have to get some questions answered in the meantime. I have figured out how to do some things, but I still got some big question marks on a lot of things. So anyway, discussion for another time. Just to let you know what kind of craziness is happening. I'm still putting out the videos on the fire dancer. She's essentially done. I didn't order electronics at the time, and since then I just haven't had time to mess with it. I really think I need to shim the bridge pieces up just a tiny bit, just a veneer's height, to have it set up just about perfect. But so we still have a few videos for this to come out. So you know, if you've paid any attention to my channel, then you know each build series has a naming convention and thumbnail that kind of pretty well identifies which one it is. It's just so you know the number of crazy builds that are going to be happening kind of simultaneously, or at least simultaneously. If you don't keep up with it, it might look a little sporadic, but that's the deal. I wanna make progress on this one, but we've done pretty much all we can now. I gotta get my damn bridge in. Everything else is here, just not the bridge, and that's what I need the most. I've been so excited about this build. This thing is so incredibly gorgeous, and it's going to be fun. I can't wait to actually play it. This is going to be fun too. The kit, I don't have a clue what we're doing for a kit. It may just be something as stupid as a paint job, but probably not. But sounded like fun, and a whole nother audience to get roped in, and you know, some cross-play between the two competitions might be good too. So anyway, hope you stick around, watch some of this craziness. It's going to be a fun ride.